have 5 rounds for quality. We will perform 10 weighted box step-ups. You can hold the weight however you choose. Followed by 10 lat pullovers, either using your dumbbell or kettlebell or other weighted object you have on hand, and a 20-second L-sit hold. Following that up, we have part B, an AMRAP today, as many rounds as possible in 14 minutes. We will perform 8 push-ups, 10 Abmat Sit Ups, and if you don't have an Abmat at home, you can find a folded towel or some other soft object to put under your lower back, and 12 jumping squats. Again, that's a 14-minute AMRAP, push-ups, Abmat Sit Ups, and 12 jumping squats. All right, you guys, good luck. Let us know how you did on this workout.